My final project will be a presentation on a disorder called visual allesthesia. Visual allesthesia, which has also been called allochuria, refers to a perceptual disorder in which visual stimuli are transposed to opposite visual fields. What this means is that if a visual stimulus were presented in the right visual field, it would appear to be on the left. Apparently, this can work on a vertical basis too, so there's a lot of potential for mismatch between what you're perceiving and what's actually in the real world. The most common cause of this perceptual disorder is actually damage to the right parietal lobe, which shouldn't really come as a surprise since we learned that the parietal lobe is involved in determining location and attention. If you guys remember, monkeys with lesions in the parietal cortex can tell one object from another, but they lose their ability to distinguish between landmarks. Also, conditions like hemispatial neglect can occur with the same damage and often co-occur with this disorder. So it makes sense that visual allesthesia, a disorder affecting our ability to locate objects properly, would result from damage to the same region. For normal individuals, visual stimuli from, say, the left visual field would project to the right side of each eye, to the right LGN, and eventually it'll project to the right parietal lobe, which would tell you that this stimulus is in the left visual field. In someone with visual allesthesia, the lesion impairs the parietal lobe's ability to accurately locate an object, and it can even mess with its ability to update that location if the object moves. Case reports of this disorder have shown that transposed images can persist over time, so imagine the implications for daily living if you see something that is not only appearing in the opposite location, but appearing to stay there in your vision for minutes after the stimulus is gone. Anyways, that's the end of my video project. Hope it was interesting.